Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing the best tools to repair your laptops. As tech enthusiasts, it's essential to have the right equipment at hand to tackle any issues that may arise. First, let's talk about the ultimate must-have tool, a digital display measuring tool. This powerful device allows you to accurately diagnose and resolve issues with your laptop's display, such as flickering, distorted colors, or poor resolution. Next, the adjustable screwdriver set is a valuable tool for opening and fixing laptops that have locking mechanisms or tight chambers. With a variety of sizes, this set ensures that you'll have the right size tool for every repair. Lastly, the digital multimeter is essential for testing your laptop's power supply, battery, and charging connections. This ensures that your laptop is working properly and receiving the necessary power to function. In summary, the best tools to repair your laptops include a digital display measuring tool, an adjustable screwdriver set, and a digital multimeter. With these essentials, you'll be ready to tackle any repair challenge.